give you the short ones. Honey. So you're matching colors. So here. Here. There's 2. And there's one more extra for mom if your hands are free. Okay? Alright. See? So it's all, ayan, she's smiling. See? Let's explore the instrument. Put on your head there. See, we're gonna explore the instrument first. Okay, what kind of sounds do they make? Huh? They make a sound. See, and then later we're also going to try gripping the instrument, and then baby will grip as well. Okay, and then you pull. She can't get mommy now. Alright, but that's gonna help you also, huh?
No, you cannot eat that.
Okay, so we're gonna sing this song. Right, pull the canoe, the tune of row, row, row your boat. See, because we're supposed to be doing like this. But we're going to drum first, okay, Naomi? You're paying attention to the teacher. Good. Okay, yes. Yes. There, much better. You go play with it, okay? Yeah. Okay, there. Okay. Let's tap on the floor, on the carpet. All you brave and strong, let's pull our great canoe. Now with strength renewed, let's sail the path so true. How together, it makes a loud sound. There, a little bit softer, mommy. There. So, alright, much better. All you brave and strong, let's pull our great canoe. Now with strength renewed, let's sail the path so true. Parang hilong-hilong like Israel. Sabi niya sa akin. Okay, keep on singing. See, because our baby brave and strong, let's go. They have a delayed reaction, so we have to wait for them to do it. All you brave and strong, let's pull our great canoe. Now with strength renewed, let's sail the path so true. You look satisfied. Yes, Naomi. There. Okay, one more time on the floor this time. And Naomi, do you wanna be partners with teacher? There, okay.